Website, you can see how pretty this looks. Just wow. Guys, in the next class I will show you my portfolio which I have made, I'm going to make today. So if you like, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. So that starting with the name of Allah, the most kind and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is artist Rabia and I'm back with my another video. Guys, in today's video I will tell you how to make a portfolio website on Canva. So you can see this, I have opened the Canva from here, from the Google. You can also download it from Play Store. I'm writing here portfolio website. You can see many of the templates here. You can use any of the template from here. I will use this template. Guys, first of all, I will tell you why we make the portfolio website. Whenever you are applying for a job in any of the foreign country, they will ask you for the portfolio website. But in Pakistan and India, it is not yet much used. So I recommend you to make the portfolio website whenever you are applying in any of the foreign country for the job, whether it is remote or hybrid. Okay, so you can customize this template from here. I'm customizing this template. Guys, this is totally free website, totally free, and I will tell you in minutes how you can make this. You can see I have these pages right here in this template. I will just go and customize these. Guys, first of all, I'm changing my name here. For example, I write here my name, Rabia Yunus. Now I will give my details here and I will change this photo. Okay, first of all, I'm deleting this photo. I'm also deleting this frame. Guys, if I go into the downloads, you can upload any of the image from here. I have already uploaded an image. Let me show you how you can upload an image. Okay, if I click here, if you have your image into downloads or desktop, you can pick that up. For example, I pick this and you can open. It will automatically download it in this. Okay, first of all, I will show you how you can change the background of your any of the image. For example, if I write here remove.pg, it is very easy to remove background with the help of this website. I'm clicking here, upload image, click on upload image, and onto desktop I have this image. I want to change background. Guys, make sure to take your professional photo. Yet this is not that professional, but I'm using this. You can see my background is removed and I've downloaded this photo into my downloads. Now coming back to this, I'm just clicking here and you can see I have this photo right here. I've uploaded this image before. Okay, now I'm increasing its size and you can see if I go into this option, edit photo, I just want to give it a little bit border so that it would look pretty. I'm going into the shadows, glow, and the color I'm taking to white. And guys, I'm also giving it a little bit outline. Well, I'm increasing its intensity. You can see you can increase or decrease the size of your border from here. I have given it 72. Okay, now I'm pressing enter. You can see guys, I have this right here. This is so cool for me. I'm increasing its size. Your first page should be the best page. Okay, so make sure to work on your first page first of all and then on the others. You can see, well, this is looking so nice. You can even work more on this. You can see I have this still here. And now if I go into design, I will show you some of the styles that I wanna give into my this template. You can see, guys, here I have these color wheels or color templates, color wheels or color palettes. You can see these. If I click here on any of the palette, it will simply change. If I apply to the all pages, it will simply change my all pages template. It will change the text, it will change the color, and it will automatically give the colors according to the color palette. If I click here and I click on apply pages, apply to all pages, you can see, guys, you have many of the color palettes here. You see, it is very useful for you, so I highly recommend to use these palettes. I will prefer, let me choose my palette. So guys, I'm going with my this Poppins bold. Okay, you can hide this from here. Guys, if you want to change your any of the color, you can also change this from here. You can choose any of the color from here and you can apply on all. Change all I have done, so you can see it has changed all. If I go with this, let's go with this. I will change this afterwards, then I will show you. First of all, I'm going and here I'm applying my another photo. If I go into the elements, if I go into the downloads, I have downloaded many of the photos here. Guys, these are my designs which I have made previously. I have designed this shirt, so I'm including these in my portfolio. I have some of the patterns here, so I'm clicking here and I'm adding these patterns. Guys, you can see, this your name, your details, and here into my canvas you can change it and customize it as well. You can write here that how you have made this shirt, whether it is digital or traditional or oil on canvas or whatever you have placed here. Okay, and you can write here my journey, about your education and artist residences, your galleries and exhibitions. You can write here your work experience as well. And if you are giving here your sample works, make sure to write the details here as they have written. Okay, and you can add any of the quotation like this to here. They have written commissions, so you can also go and write the commissions. So if you want to duplicate any of the page, go here and simply you can duplicate this page. You can see this page is duplicated and you can customize it as well. If you want to place this here, or you can change the font, you can change these settings, you can add other images to here. Okay, at end you can just give your address, phone number and email, as well as you can add many of your social media links so that they will contact you further. With the icons as well, I recommend you place the icons as well. That will give you give the portfolio the best looks. Guys, if you have made your website completely and you are okay with it, you can go into the publish website and click here continue. You can enter your URL here or domain here, any of your name, and simply click on publish. You can see they are preparing your design. You can see you have your domain right here, and you can copy your link from here, and you can place it on any of the website you want to apply. Now if you click here on view website, you can see how pretty this looks. Just wow. Guys, in the next class I will show you my portfolio which I have made, I'm going to make today. So if you like, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe so that you can get the further useful videos from my channel. Okay, this is artist Rabia signing off from Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.